What's up guys? I hope all are doing well. I'm Rajesh. Welcome to my channel Vision Rajesh. Before start with this session, first greetings of the day. Namaskar to all of my family members. I hope all are doing well and take care of your health. So in this session I will cover the webinar. The webinar on the topic of capacity building in hospitality sector, challenges in post-pandemic scenario. This webinar will be conducted by the Faculty of Hospitality and Tourism Management, Shiksha Anusandhana deemed to be University Bhubaneswar, Odisha, in association with the Indian Tourism and Hospitality Congress. Webinar series 2020. Online panel discussion. Again, I am repeat the topic will be the capacity building in hospitality sector, challenges in post-pandemic scenario. The date will be 19th June 2020. The day will be the Friday and the time will be 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So hospitality is the major segment of service sector. It has the maximum contribution to GDP. As the service sector suffered a lot because of the corona pandemic, so it's the time we have to bounce back in this sector. So if you really like this video, if this video will be really helpful or useful you think, so please circulate or to spread to this video to all of you guys, so that this video will really impact in your life if you want to bounce back in this sector. So every person who are associated with the hospitality sector as an employee, as a businessman, it's my personal request, don't ever miss this opportunity, because the opportunity will never knock your door twice. Okay, all the eminent personality, all the dignitary personality, they will guide you, they will teach you, they will support you through the mentorship. Okay, how you can tackle the situation, what the problems you are passing through, and how you can tackle through your management skill. Okay, as a business it will really helpful, as a professionalism it will all really helpful, how you can boost your economy. Okay, as the India is going through the crisis of the major economic, so it's our duty and responsibility, it's our citizenship centric should be there. Okay, we should think how we can boost the economy. So the webinar topic, the capacity building hospitality sector, challenges in post-pandemic scenario. Okay, the date will be 19 June 2020. The time will be 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. and you can join the webinar on the Google Meet. Google Meet is one app of the Google. Okay, you can directly access it. If you want to streaming the live session, okay, you can directly put on the link. Okay, you can directly click on this link. So don't worry, I will put all the link on my description box so that you can directly access it. Okay, so you can see the who will be the real hero in this session. Okay, who will support us, who will really guide us. Okay, they will be the real hero of our society, because we are in the crisis mode. Okay, so this dignitary person will be really helpful in this webinar. The webinar will be really challenging for you, it will be real life changer for you. Okay, so in this webinar, from the training to development, this will really cover. From the training you will learn something, from the learning point of view your knowledge will expand, from the knowledge your skill will be enhanced, your skill is in your hand. When your skill is in your hand, you will means you can fit to this job, you can fit to the organization. As a businessman, as a boss, as a leader, you can implement as a practical policy for the labor welfare. Okay, as an employee welfare. Then coaching also one need, because coaching, mentorship also sometimes need, because in this era sometimes the people are in stress, so coaching also need sometimes to rectify our mistake. The support also need from the boss point of view, from the leadership point of view, from the employee point of view, as a peers or subordinate. Okay, the development also, the training and development is the major segment of every organization. Okay, so they will be the really guide you, they will teach you how you can implement this phase, how can overcome these problems of the post pandemic scenario. Okay, how you can build the capacity in hospitality sector, how you can push the economy in a positive direction. Namaskar. Faculty of Hospitality and Tourism Management, Shiksha Anusandhana deemed to be University Bhubaneswar, Odisha, in association with the Indian Tourism and Hospitality Congress, is organizing webinar on the topic of capacity building in hospitality sector, challenges in post-pandemic scenario. The date will be 19 June 2020. Time will be 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So never lose this opportunity, and this webinar will be really helpful. How you can tackle the situation, what should be your approach. Okay, you are cordially invited for this webinar. Details of the webinar and the registration link for the participation are given below. Who will really participate in this webinar, the e-certificate will be given to them. Okay, so you should not worry. So I will put all the links on the description box so that you can directly access it. You can directly first register. Okay, after the registration, whenever the webinar will be conducted, the link will automatically send to them, or you can directly see, okay, how you can means access through the Google Meet, also through the directly link the live streaming. I will put all the link, okay, on my description box. Honorable guest and esteemed panels to be there. Dr. S.S. Mant, former Chairman All India Council for the Technical Education, New Delhi, and Chancellor KL University, P. Andhra Pradesh, All India shall deliver the inaugural address at the webinar. Then Dr. Rajendra Prasad Das, Pro Vice Chancellor in Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, New Delhi, India shall deliver the presidential address at the webinar. Then Dr. Tureb Bakudir, Professor, Silk Road International University of Tourism, Samarkand State University, Uzbekistan. Then Dr. Sandeep Kulshrestha, President, Tourism and Hospitality Educators and Research Association of Asia, Thera, India. Okay, they will be the dignitary person. They will be really helpful. They will really guide you how you can tackle the situation. Okay, how you can boost up through the hospitality to the Indian nation. Then Dr. Kevser Sinar, Senior Faculty Member, Necmettin Erbakan University, Turkey. Then Dr. Surup Sinha, Principal, ITC Hospital Management Institute, Gurgaon, Haryana, India. Then Dr. Kiran Yadav, Chairman and MD, Success Triangles and Vice President, IIPT, Indian Chapter, Mumbai, India, shall moderate the session. Looking forward to meeting you online. Please do circulate it amongst your peers and students if you are really associated with any hospitality or its allied sector. Okay, this will be really helpful. This will really bounce back. Okay, if you want to bounce back, if you want to boost the economy through the hospitality sector. Best regards from Professor Sitikant Mishra, Advisor cum Dean, Faculty of Hospitality Tourism Management, SUA, deemed to be University of Bhubaneswar, Odisha, Webinar Director. And to special regards to Dr. Sasmita Mohanty, Faculty of Hospitality Tourism Management, SUA, deemed to be University. So it's my warm regards and my best wishes to all the panelist member, all my dignitary person from my heart. Okay, so it's my also request to all the family members, all the people who are associated with the hospitality sector. It's my request to kindly please attend this webinar, because the people, the panelist member, they will give the important time. Okay, time, the best important is the time. Okay, so they will give the time for you. So it's your part, you should also join to this webinar. Okay, successfully. So the webinar will be going on 19 June 2020. Again, time 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So never lose this opportunity. So it's my request, kindly attend this webinar. I will put all the links on my description box. And don't lose this hope, because the problem will always come till your death. So you should always be solution oriented. How we can tackle the situation, how we can boost up our economy through our service sector, because the India is based on the service sector. We are not more focusing on the manufacturing, we are more deal with the services. So it's the real possibility we can the capacity building in the hospitality sector. So we have to boost it through our knowledge, throughout the coaching, support, mentorship, through our development process. Okay, so kindly attend this opportunity. Okay, never miss this opportunity again and again. Okay, so this is my video information. So please pass the information to all the people. If you really helpful, if you really think this video will be really useful, so like, subscribe, comment and press the bell icon so that you will never miss my update information. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Utkal Janani, Atiti Devo Bhava.